Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add a video slider in your Shopify store. So here on the home page, you can see that I have this slider which is sliding from right to left, and this is infinite scroll. So if you will see in your mobile view, it will look like this. So you can see that this is looking more beautiful. So how you can add it into your store, because this looks more attractive and this also explains a lot of things about your products. So I will show you here. Here you can see that I have added this code. Firstly, you should delete this. Then after, you will see that on the front end we will have the slider gone away. So here we go. Now you can see that we don't have any kind of slider here. So how we will be adding? You should go to Shopify dashboard, and here you should click on three dots and click on edit code. Here we have some folders and files. Click on sections, click on add a new section, and then right here video dash slider, and then you should delete this existing code and paste the new code which is here. So I have already written a blog post. You just need to copy and paste the code. This is free of cost. You don't need to pay anything. And let me save the changes. Then you should go back to the dashboard, and here we have the customize. So you should click on customize section, and you will find out that if you are scrolling it down, we don't have any kind of video section here. So firstly, you should click on add new section, click on add section and search here video, and you will find here video slider. And then after, you should actually upload here all the videos. So for example, I am selecting a video from here like this. Then the second video is this one. Then we have the third video. Once you are uploading all those videos, if you want, you can actually update the title here. So here you can see that we have the videos. I have removed it, and if you want to make it auto rotate, it will also auto rotate the videos. So if you want, you can actually add it. And let me see the preview now. So if you are refreshing this page, here you can see that we have all those videos slider here. If you will see its mobile view, so it will look like this. Here we go. Now it is looking more beautiful, and you can also add it by just copy and pasting the code. So if you have any other theme, so right now this code I have implemented on Be Yours theme. If you have any other theme, then you can ask me. I will help you out in that. Firstly, you should copy this code. If you still face any issue, I will help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.